So my YouTube channel has hit 2K followers, and I know this is a good beginning. I'm on my way to monetization. One way that I was able to grow my YouTube channel is I was consistent. I was posting videos every week. Now, if you agree with me, you know that growing YouTube channel isn't easy as people take it to be. I'm telling you, YouTube is not easy to grow. You see YouTube, you see Facebook, these two platforms, they are not easy to grow. But there is this one guaranteed way that can help you to grow your YouTube channel: consistency. Not just consistency alone, posting the right videos. You don't need plenty video to get monetized. You don't need 100 video. No, you just need the right videos. I've seen someone that only one video got him monetized. I've seen people that they posted only 5 videos, 10 videos. But me, I posted up to 100 or something video. Though the reason is because when I started YouTubing, I didn't really know what I know now. If I had known what I know now, then trust me, Abba, with 10 videos, I've done monetize, stay there. Why am I saying this? I know you are finding it very difficult to grow your YouTube channel, and sometimes you want to give up, but trust me, don't give up. Keep posting. Don't just post anyhow videos. Post videos that are relevant. Post videos that people want, not the video you want. Like I keep telling people, it is all about your viewers, not about you. If you keep posting random videos, you are not precise, trust me, you will struggle to grow. But the very day you post videos that matters, the very day you post videos that people want, trust me, you'll start getting subscribers. And stop posting people's content on your YouTube channel, because it will affect your monetization. Even if you cross monetization and you are monetized, later they will demonetize you, because YouTube is going to discover these are not your content. Post your original content on your YouTube channel. So if you are still yet to get a YouTube channel, go and get a YouTube channel. If you are here on TikTok or you are here on Facebook, you've not gotten a YouTube channel and you are calling yourself I'm a content creator, rush go YouTube channel. Now their money they well. It won't be easy, but trust me, like I said, you need patience, you need consistency. You need to be consistent. At least post videos 4-3 times a week on your YouTube channel. And the most important thing, the timing is important too. You don't post anytime. Even on YouTube channel, it has timing. There are times your subscribers are online, and if you post that time, boom, there is good engagement at that very time. So you need to understand the algorithm of YouTube. You need to make use of your analytics to know when you should post your videos and the days you should post your videos on YouTube channel. Don't mind all these big stars or big YouTubers that only post once in a week. They've already gotten the platform. So even if they post once in a week, fine. But since you are an upcoming, my sister, if it warrants you to post every day, post every day, because you know what you are chasing. Is that okay? So the bottom line of this video on how you can grow your YouTube channel is post consistently, post relevant videos, post at the right time, and trust me, you will hit that subscribers. Once you get your 1K subscribers, you get your 4K watch hour, and you get your 10 million short reel views, apply and start making your money, and everything will be story. So do not give up on your YouTube channel. Keep posting and you hit it big.